Martin Ashton-Smith is a member of the Association for Computing Machinery. Dear ACM member, in recognition of your decision to become an ACM member, I am pleased to send you the enclosed certificate. It acknowledges your standing as an official member of our global community. ACM is an educational and scientific society uniting the world's computing professionals, researchers, educators and students to inspire dialogue, share resources and address the field's challenges. At a time when computing is at the center of the growing demand for technology worldwide, ACM is continuing its work on initiatives to help its members stay competitive by delivering resources that advance computing as both a science and a profession. Since its formation in 1947, ACM has welcomed members who are dedicated to advancing their knowledge of the technology and science of computing, and committed to the highest professional and ethical standards. Your membership in ACM is evidence that you share these ideals. I hope you will display your certificate proudly. Thank you for joining, and enjoy the many benefits and opportunities of ACM membership. Sincerely, Stuart I. Feldman, President. 2 Penn Plaza, Suite 701, New York, 101210701.